ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 12th day of March. James Spann here. This is the 16th anniversary of the great blizzard of '93. Check the blog if you'd like to see more about that. A storm we will never forget, but today not as frantic as that. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, from Demopolis, got a boater coming up the Tom Bigby. Right around the bend down there is the Demopolis Lock and Dam. Temperatures are in the upper 50s at Demopolis with a cloudy sky. Gadsden, again, overcast conditions and hardly any rain really south of US 278. And that's pretty much what we expected today, but it's cool. And let's go way down south. What do you say? Yeah, those parasail guys are out there. You know, it's spring break time, as the crowds are beginning to swell on the Alabama Gulf Coast. But that water's pretty cool. The water running in the mid-60s, and that's keeping the air temperature down into the mid-60s as well. Pretty messy setup there. You got a southwest flow aloft over a shallow layer of cold air, and you know that could mean ice, and sure enough, we've got some of that up north. And that shallow cold air nosing down into Alabama. Look at Muscle Shoals, 37. Haleyville sitting at 40. It's awfully cold up there, but around here, upper 50s. Birmingham at 58, and similar conditions up and down Interstate 59 and 20. You get back in the colder air, and yeah, we've got winter weather advisories and even a winter storm warning there for parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, western Tennessee. And again, Nashville's had some snow this morning. We think the most significant icing possibility will be along and north of Interstate 40, but again, in case you're traveling up there or live there watching this online, you'll have some icing conditions to deal with tonight. Here's a look at the regional radar at about 1:45 this afternoon. You can see pretty messy deal there. Now, a lot of that in North Arkansas and northwestern Tennessee, that's falling in the form of freezing rain, coating exposed surfaces with ice. And around here, just light rain. There's the storm alert radar at 1:55, and you can see that light rain showing up mainly over the Tennessee Valley. But the rain will be more extensive in coming days. In fact, pretty good soaking coming up. Looky here. This is the QPF chart. This is suggesting a pretty good chunk of Alabama will see 2 inches of rain between now and Monday morning. Looks like the wettest weather will be Friday, tomorrow, and Saturday. And I think 2 inches is a pretty good number to shoot for. The model guidance is hovering around that. And, you know, we talked maybe about 3, but I think 2 might be a better number for now. And the good news, we don't expect any severe weather, and we don't expect any flash flooding problems. It should come down steadily. Let's look at the modeling here. This is the 12Z GFS valid at noon tomorrow, noon Friday. And you can see the trough back out over Texas. We've got the front parallel to the upper airflow around here. And that means just kind of wet, cloudy, cool. Occasional rain. Temperatures will peak in the mid to upper 50s, more than likely. Saturday, I think, will be the wettest day. Surface low, a wave, is over West Alabama, and that will likely enhance the rain. Maybe some thunder mixed in with that, but the air is stable. Don't expect any severe weather. And look at here now, the latest guidance beginning to push drier air into North Alabama Sunday. And really, I wouldn't be shocked if that happens. If indeed we have that wave on Saturday, that should pull down drier air Sunday, and I think we'll probably trend the forecast in that direction. Mentioned rain ending Sunday morning, maybe some clearing Sunday afternoon. And the latest guidance looks awfully dry Monday. We're taking out the chance of rain on Monday. That looks like a pretty decent day. And by the way, on Monday, rain will linger more than likely on the Gulf Coast in case you're headed down to the beaches. There'll be some showers around down there all weekend into Monday of next week. But here's a look at Tuesday. Everybody goes dry. Gulf Coast, up this way, should be in good shape. Seasonal temperatures high should be in the upper 60s. Wednesday, what a great day. I think we'll be up in the 70s, a good deal of sunshine. Thursday of next week, a week from today, some evidence of a surface boundary drifting into the Tennessee Valley, maybe a shower up north, but not much moisture to work with that feature. So we'll keep an eye on that. And again, it's pretty cold up to the north. And then on Friday, a week from tomorrow, the cold air really never makes it in here. The coldest air pushes it off to the east, or the colder air pushes off to the east. And again, that looks pretty comfortable. So much of next week looks pretty decent at this point. Let's go out there 6 more days, and whoa, Nelly! Look at here now. Now, that probably will be gone on the next run. You know that, but talk about a cold core upper low. That would be snow and all kind of crazy stuff there if this is right on March the 26th. But again, this is absolute voodoo. Don't expect that to be around much longer. Could it happen? Sure, but it's unlikely unless we see it starting to show up consistently. And a couple of days later, the thing just kind of drifts to the north, and that still looks awfully cold and unsettled underneath that with dynamic cooling. So it'll be interesting to see if that feature pops up again at some point in the future. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com, if you're watching this on YouTube or iTunes. The next video here will be here by tomorrow morning at 7. And if you're local, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.